Hello, good day and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with NECO 2019 Mathematics Past Question, Question 11. If P, which is a set, is equal to, that is, P is a set now having a set of A, B, C, and Q is a set of A, B, C, D, E, and R is a set of A, B, C, Q, R. Now, find P union Q in brackets intersecting P union R in another bracket. A, we have a set of A, B, C, D. B, a set of A, B, C, D, E. C, a set of A, B, C, D, E, F. And D, a set of A, B, C, and E, an empty set. So the question, we're given a set of P to be A, B, C, a set of Q to be A, B, C, D, E, and a set of R to be A, B, C, Q, R. Now we are asked to find what? In brackets, P union Q intersecting what? P union R in another bracket. Now, first of all, let's find the set of P union Q. Now, P union Q simply means what? The sum or the set of P and Q. The set of P and Q combined. And when you combine the set of P and Q, you will have what? We're going to have A, B, C, D, and E. A, B, C, D, and E. Now, this is the set of what? P union Q. Now, we have what? P union R. P union R. That is the set of P combined with the set of R. And we have what? We have A, comma, B, comma, C, comma, Q, comma, and R. So this is the combination of the set P and set R. Now the question says we should find what? The intersect or the intersection of P union Q and P union R. So therefore, P union Q intersects P union R is equal to, now this intersect here simply means what? What you will find in set P union Q and still find in what? Set P union R. That is the common content in these two sets. What we will find in P union Q and will still be what's common that is also found in P union R. Now if you look at this, you see that A is in P union Q and also in P union R. So you write what? So you write A, comma, also B is in P union Q and also in P union R. B, now C also is in P union Q and P union R. C, now D is in P union Q but it's not in P union R, so we won't write it. Also, E is in P union Q but not in P union R, you won't write it. Likewise, Q and R, they are not common. So therefore, P union Q intersecting P union R is equal to the set of A, B, and C, and that is what? That is option D. So A, B, C is the answer to the what? To P union Q in bracket intersecting P union R. Thank you very much and God bless you. Please ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos.